Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I Kukuh Tirto Pangestu. In this video, I want to show how to make a cup of milk chocolate. This is the ingredient and the tools. This is hot water, milk, chocolate powder, cup, and spoon. In the first step, pour the milk into the cup. And then, in the second step, pour the chocolate powder into the cup. And then the step 3, pour the hot water into the cup. In the last step, stir until well blended. Now, the milk chocolate ready to drink. Thank you for watching the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.